Welcome back. On this video I'll be showing you how to hold and perfect a handstand. This is what it should look like. So the first step of learning a handstand is the position you have to be in when you begin. So for this you have to keep your arms by your ears and lunge quite far into it. Before you can actually hold a handstand, you want to try practicing it against a wall. If that doesn't work for you, you could get someone to catch your feet. When holding a handstand without support, try not to arch your back, otherwise this happens. As well as not arching your back, when you're holding a handstand, you want to squeeze your muscles so you can hold it for longer and tuck your head in. Another trick when holding a handstand, you want to try and use your hands to balance it out. So if you feel like you're going to fall forwards, push your hands backwards, and if you feel like you're going to fall backwards, push your hands forwards, and it really does help. So now we're going to put it all together. Lunge and squeeze, keeping your head in, and land. Hope you can learn something from this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye!